Hi everyone, I'm Lala Bad. Welcome. Today I am making menudo. I am sharing with you how I do it. So here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so when you buy menudo, this is actually, what is this again, baby? Cow, is it cow tripe? Cow or pig tripe?
Cow tripe.
This is cow tripe. And when you buy it and you go to the meat market, usually you probably want to go to like a Mexican specialty store. You want to get the Honeycomb Tripe. You want to get the most expensive one because it doesn't have a bad taste. The other one, the cheap one, has like a taste like it's not good. It just has like a kind of like a taste like poo to me. And then these are the pig feet that they cut in half. This is 2 pounds of pig feet, and this is 2.5 pounds of tripe. They came in really big squares, and I just cut them in half. And, yeah. So I'm going to rinse this, rinse that, and place it in a pot of water. Okay, I rinsed that really good. Here's an onion, a whole onion that I skinned and cut not all the way through. And I'm going to put this in here as well. I chopped the tops off of 2 heads of garlic. Do not chop the bottoms off so that they can stay intact. Add that to the pot as well. I'm going to add this. This is from El Guapo Sazon para Menudo seasoning. And I read the back. The ingredients in here are oregano, onion, chili pepper, and citric acid. I'm going to add the whole bag. And then to add a bay leaf or to not add a bay leaf. That is a question. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Next, I'm going to add this whole bag of sazonador para menudo. All right, I'm going to add this now. So I'm going to cook this. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to cook this all night long. I'm going to let it come to a boil, put it on low, cover it, and cook it until the morning time. And then that's when I'll add the salt. Yeah, I can't taste it now because there's obviously raw meat in there. To see if it has the right flavorings. I might add flavorings in there later on. But everyone makes their menudo different. Everyone has their own secret. Everyone has their own little thing they do. No one's never taught me this. I just put flavors I like. Alright, well, I will see you in a minute. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock in the morning. And I have been scooping out the onion and garlic and bay leaf. And this is what it looks like right now. I added salt and anything else that I feel like it might need. And then now I'm going to add the hominey after I clean out all the onion. So I'll be right back. I'm also taking out any bones that are in the pan that are loose because it's just I don't want to be serving up the bones. This is going to be cooking for another couple hours. It's going to be on low. It's going to be just really on warm because it's really ready. But I just like to have my menudo ready as soon as we wake up in the morning. It's just a really great thing to have in the morning and throughout the day, really. But yeah, I'm trying to take out the bones that are kind of loose. You can hear them when you stir the pot. Let me show you. You hear that noise? That's the bones at the bottom of the pan. I'm adding the golden hominy. That's what it looks like. Alright, so this goes, put this in there. You drain out the water. It's packed in water. Now stirring it around. And if you pick up hominy, then you have enough. If you stir it around and you don't pick up any hominy, then you don't have enough. There's enough for that amount of menudo and amount of patas de puerco. Alright. It's 5:12. Gonna let this cook a little longer. Put the top back on. And put it on my lowest, like, I think it's like 2 is what I have it on my gas stove. Alright. Be back. The menudo is all done. And it's time to plate, or time to serve. It is 10:22. It's been cooking. It's just been on warm, really. Just been keeping it warm. And you grab a little bit of everything. At this point, everything looks like everything, okay? And I'm gonna grab a little bit extra broth. I like the broth. Okay, now follow me to the table. Some people use serranos. We use jalapenos, so I dice up the jalapenos with the veins. Onion, chopped or diced. Chopped cilantro and lime or limon. Alright, so here's my menudo. So here are, I'm just going to do a little bit of jalapeno because I already made raols and it didn't film. That would have been more dramatic, but I'm just going to, I don't really like it that spicy. Okay, onion. And I like a little bit more onion, like that. Cilantro. And limon. Now I only like 1 limon. Raul likes 2. Again, his was more dramatic, but it wasn't filming. Alright. And I'm going to stir your spoon real quick to stir it up. And that is how I serve menudo. Menudo is, I told Rue we should have drank so we can make it more authentic. But sometimes, because this is a hangover food, Mexican food. And we like to eat it just to eat it. So, alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Comment down below if you've ever tried it and did you like it. Okay, bye.
Sorry by the camera, I'm the cameraman. Okay.
Mine, Rue's. You see the difference? Alright, so best thing about having a gas stove is you can do this. Boom. I forgot, we like to eat. This is another condiment for the menudo, corn tortillas. Before I met Rue, he never ate corn tortillas with his menudo. This is what we do. And if you need a fork for this whole process and you call yourself a Mexican, you better call yourself a Mexicant, because this is like in our blood to be able to do this with our fingers. Okay, hunty.
Yes. Yes, because I do.
Because Rue does it with the spatula. And he's a Mexicant. Orale. And that's your corn tortillas. Alright, we're gonna go eat now. Bye.
Bye.